When you're hunting in the mountains and your dogs put up a chase, and this porker's coming at you and he doesn't like your face, and you're running and he's crowding on the pace. Well, don't worry, mate, she'll be right. She'll be right, mate, she'll be right. Don't worry, mate, she'll be right. You can get your feed a pork when he slows down to a walk, so don't worry, mate, she'll be right. When you're logging on the saddle and you're driving down the bluff with 1,000 feet of timber bouncing right behind your chuff, and the clutch has started slipping and the brakes are worse than rough. Well, don't worry, mate, she'll be right. She'll be right, mate, she'll be right. Don't worry, mate, she'll be right. If you give all you can give her, she'll just fly into the river, so don't worry, mate, she'll be right. When you've walked out on the missus and you're gone to watch them race, and you took her shopping money and you didn't get a place, and you're coming home flat stony and she sees it in your face. Well, don't worry, mate, she'll be right. She'll be right, mate, she'll be right. Don't worry, mate, she'll be right. You can save a lot of trouble if you say you won the double, so don't worry, mate, she'll be right. When you've had the copper going and you boiled a ton of hops, and you brewed your brew and bottled her and hammered on the tops, and your missus keeps on asking where you left your footy socks. Well, don't worry, mate, she'll be right. She'll be right, mate, she'll be right. Don't worry, mate, she'll be right. Shove a shot of metho in her and you'll swear you're drinking gin, so don't worry, mate, she'll be right. When they finished off your forward and your backs are wearing thin, and the second spell's half over and you're 40 points to win, and this hulking wing three-quarters got his teeth stuck in your shin. Don't worry, mate, she'll be right. She'll be right, mate, she'll be right. Don't worry, mate, she'll be right. You won't worry who's the loser when you meet them down the boozer, so don't worry, mate, she'll be right. Come on, all together. She'll be right, mate, she'll be right. Yes, she'll be right. Don't worry, mate, she'll be right. You won't worry who's the loser when you meet them down the boozer, so don't worry, mate, she'll be right.